guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all my 5 most favorite under eye creams. After a lot of trial and error, after trying out as much as 25 products for my under eyes, these are the ones that really stood out. These are the ones that I really like and that I keep using all the time. So if you are looking for good under eye creams, then this is the perfect video for you all. And if you are anywhere around like 20 plus or 25 plus, this is the right time to use an under eye cream, because under eye region is the first place where you develop signs of aging. If you do not take special care of it, then you will develop like early signs of aging, like fine lines, wrinkles, and maybe crow's feet as well. So you really need to take better care of your under eye region. Just a regular moisturizer that you're using on your face is not enough for your under eye region, because your under eye region is much more sensitive. The skin there is much more thinner than the rest of your face, and it requires extra care, extra nourishment, and ingredients that act as anti-aging treatment for your under eye region. So you need anti-aging skincare on your under eye, so that you do not develop the early signs of aging, and so that your skin and you look much younger than your age. So if you want to find out my top 5 under eye creams, then this is the right video for you. Before I share them with you all, I just want to mention that they are all available on Amazon, and if you want to shop for them, I've mentioned the links in the description box below. Amazon is currently running a huge discount on all of these products, so you'll get them at really good deals. So make sure you check Amazon out. And yeah, with all that being said, let's quickly dive into today's video. Okay, so my number 1 under eye product is by L'Oreal Paris. This is their Glycolic Bright Under Eye Serum. Now this is the one that I've been currently using every single night, because I have the problem of dark circles. I don't know if you can tell because I'm wearing the tiniest amount of concealer, but I do have slight dark circles. They were really dark before, but ever since I started using this, 70-80% of my dark circles have reduced. This is that good. Even if you just use it for 15 days, twice a day, every single day, then it's going to help in reducing 50% of your dark circles. So this comes with a triple roller technology. As you can see, it comes with this triple roller, which helps in really massaging the product under your skin. And the ingredients are 3% of glycolic acid, which helps to gently exfoliate the top layer of dull and dark skin, so that the fresh and newer layer which comes on top is much more brighter. It's called vitamin C, which helps to brighten up your under eye region, and it also boosts collagen production, so that it acts as an anti-aging treatment under your eyes. And it's called niacinamide, which also helps to correct discoloration, and it evens out your under eye skin and makes it match to the rest of your skin tone. So basically for dark circles, this is a really good product. It helps in lightening your dark circles to a great extent in just 15 to 20 days. Just use it regularly twice a day, in your morning as well as in your night regime, and you see wonders happening on your under eye region. I literally noticed almost 80% of my dark circles gone in just 3 months of usage. So this is that effective, it's that good, and I think this is the only product that deals with dark circles, that has helped me with dark circles so much and so effectively. So if you have the problem of dark circles, do try this out. However, it's not so much of an anti-aging under eye cream. It's more targeted towards dark circles. If you're looking for anti-aging, I'm going to share the rest of the products with you all. Okay, so for anti-aging, I think this is hands down the best under eye cream. This is Auli Eyes and Shine under eye cream. This is what it looks like. And the only downside about this is that you gotta dip your hand inside this and then remove the product. Let me just show you the consistency of this. So it's got a very nice thick consistency. Once you apply it, you can massage it really well. You can take all the time in the world to massage it until it's completely absorbed. And the more that you massage it under your eyes, the more effective it is. That is what I have always noticed. So whenever I take this and I massage it, I keep massaging until it's completely absorbed. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes, 2 to 3 whole minutes to massage this. So why this is very helpful as an under eye anti-aging treatment is because this contains 2% of retinol, which is a higher concentration of retinol, and retinol is the best anti-aging active ingredient. Retinol helps to reduce the appearance of your fine lines and wrinkles, and it also prevents future fine lines and wrinkles from appearing. So retinol is the best anti-aging ingredient, and this has 2% of retinol, which is a really high concentration of retinol. So if you have already developed fine lines and wrinkles, then this is the product for you, because this will help to reduce the appearance of that and also prevent the fine lines and wrinkles from coming up in the future. You will be able to see the results within a month itself of regular use. However, I only like to use this during my night regime. रात को जब मैं इसको लगा के सोती हूँ, I wake up with like brighter under eyes like the next morning. So this is like that good. It's very nourishing. It moisturizes your under eye region really well. So even for the winters, this is a really good product. Apart from that, this also has caffeine, which helps with your under eye puffiness. If you have puffy under eyes, if you have a lot of screen time that you have like during the daytime, then this will really help to like depuff your under eye region. Moreover, this has saffron, which helps to brighten up the under eye skin and makes it look a little more awake, a little more fresh, and also reduces the dark circles a little bit. So overall, it's a really good anti-aging cream that you can try, but I only recommend using this during the night time because it's really thick, and then में अगर आप इसको लगाओगे, it's gonna feel a little greasy. So keep this for the night, let this work its magic overnight, and you'll wake up with like really fresh under eyes. And just use it for a month and you'll notice like a lot of anti-aging happening. Okay, so the third under eye cream that I have is by Neutrogena. It's their Hydro Boost under eye cream. Now this one is just for hydration. If you're looking for a boost of hydration, for a burst of hydration, then this is the product that you can try out. You know, winters may how you have to switch up with your moisturizer. You cannot use the same moisturizer that you're using during the summers because it's not that nourishing enough for the winters. Winters mein skin thodi dry hoti hai and you need a more thicker, creamier and a more rich formulation. This is exactly like that. So this has the consistency of a gel. Let me just show you. It's got the consistency of that of a gel, but when you massage it, you can keep massaging it for a while. So again, like when you apply this, you can keep massaging it under your eyes until it's completely absorbed, and it takes about like 2 minutes to get it completely absorbed. So you can keep massaging this under your eyes, and it provides a lot of nourishment, a lot of hydration to your under eye region. So if your skin is very dry and if your under eyes also become very very dry, you can use this. If you apply a lot of concealer, then obviously आपका under eye skin जो है वो बहुत dry होता होगा by the end of the day. So just use this under eye cream, and it's going to provide a lot of hydration to your under eye region. And along with providing hydration, it also feels very very lightweight. So the consistency of this is very comfortable on the skin. You can also use this under your makeup. If you like wear very heavy duty concealers, you can also use this under your makeup, and it's not going to make your concealer look cakey or patchy. So basically it's a very hydrating formulation, and when you provide the right amount of hydration to your under eye region, that is also when the signs of aging slow down and fine lines and wrinkles are delayed. So if you're just looking to like hydrate your under eye region really well, if you're just 20 or 25 plus, and if you haven't really developed any signs of aging, you can just use this, and it's going to provide the right amount of hydration and also delay the signs of aging. Okay, the next under eye cream that I have is something that I swear by. I use this a lot. This is the Dermaco Snail Peptide 96 Under Eye Repair Cream. Now I really like the formulation of this one. This has retinol, which reduces the appearance of your fine lines and wrinkles and also prevents them. So it's an anti-aging ingredient. It's also got 2% of caffeine, which helps to depuff your under eye skin and makes you look more awake and more bright and more fresh. It's got 1% of peptides, which helps to provide a lot of nourishment to your under eye skin, and it also helps in repairing your skin barrier under your eye, so that your under eye skin is strong and less prone to damage and less prone to aging. So it's a really good formulation overall, and it's a snail peptide under eye cream. And snail peptide products, as you all know, are like really sticky. So when you apply this, okay, I'm almost about to finish this up. Yeah, so this is what it looks like, and when you apply this, it does feel a little bit sticky, and it holds on the moisture on your under eye skin. So even if you apply like the most hydrating products under your eyes and they still don't provide the right amount of hydration, you can just use this, and it's gonna lock in all the hydration into your skin because of its formulation, because of the snail peptide present in this. So this is a really hydrating formulation. It does feel slightly sticky, which is why I keep this for my night regimes. I kind of alternate between the Snail Peptide Under Eye Cream and the Auli Under Eye Cream. and this provides a lot of hydration, a lot of nourishment, and the Auli one provides anti-aging benefits. So I sort of like alternate between both of these, and I use them generally during the night time only. So if you're looking for a very hydrating formulation, if Snail Mucin is something that you're a fan of, and if you use it on your skin, why not even use it under your eyes, and you'll see magic happening under there. Okay, finally the last product that I have is this Renee under eye stick. I don't know the exact name of this, but it comes in the stick technology, so I call it as my under eye stick. Now this one I really like because I think it's really good for the daytime. Like din mein I'm not really looking for very thick heavy duty under eye creams, because obviously they're going to feel very sticky and greasy. So I really like this. I can just like, you know, apply this as a stick under my eyes, just roll it on like once or twice, and it provides a good amount of hydration. It provides a good amount of nourishment. This has retinol, and retinol is anti-aging. This also has hyaluronic acid, which provides hydration and locks the hydration in, and this has vitamin E, which provides a lot of nourishment and, you know, has a little bit of anti-aging properties, and it also helps to reverse sun damage. So yeah, this has a good, you know, combination of ingredients in there. I was just using it for hydration purpose, but this also does a lot. So yeah, it is a good you know, under eye balm that you can use in the daytime. With that, I'm gonna wrap up today's video. Those were my 5 most favorite under eye creams and under eye serums that I absolutely love using, that I've like tried and tested for a while, and I've seen beautiful results. So if you're looking for any good under eye creams and serums, then you do try them out depending upon your skin concern. If you have dark circles, use the L'Oreal one. If you have you know, a lot of signs of aging, use the Auli one. If you're just looking for something during the daytime, you can use the Renee one. Lot of options to select from. All of them are tried and tested, and they work beautifully in nourishing and treating your under eye region. So I've mentioned all the purchase links in the description box below. You can check them out, and make sure you purchase these products from Amazon and avail all the deals that Amazon is currently offering. So in case if you happen to try out any of the products, then do let me know in the comments below your experience. Make sure you use them at least for 1 month before you see a difference, because under eye problems are not something that you can solve overnight. Obviously you can apply these under eye serums, leave them on overnight, let them work overnight, but you need to give them time for at least like 15 to 20 days, or let's say a month, and use them regularly, consistently, every single day, every single night for a month, and then you can see a difference. It's not something that works just overnight, but yeah, overnight for a couple of days. So make sure you use it consistently, and then comment your you know, experience in the comment section. And if you have any other holy grail under eye creams that you absolutely love using, that have given you fabulous results, then comment on that as well. I would also love to try out more such products. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. You can subscribe to my channel, you can follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I will see you super soon.